Hey guys, it's Dev. I know you've never seen my face before, but there's a first time for everything, and this is quite a special occasion because in the mail this morning, which I unboxed and filmed like my ass, I can show you the boxes. I unboxed it with a knife and everything. I didn't cut myself at least. But yeah, I got my new PC ports. I'm upgrading from AMD to Intel. I'm doubling my RAM and I'm getting integrated Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And don't you love speakers? But that's not the point. The point is, I got my little Core i5 6600K. It's actually pretty damn small if you think about it. But yeah, I got that. This is the new beast, video editing. I've also got two 8GB sticks of ballistics RAM, which I was surprised at, like the color scheme. I thought they were going to be ugly. From what I saw on eTech, they were going to be pretty ugly. Then, of course, talking about eTech, the mousepad you get with like every MSI product you buy with eTech. And then the last thing, the biggest thing, is my Z170A, Z170A Tomahawk AC motherboard. This is a very decent motherboard, comes with built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi like I mentioned, and yeah, it's black and red, so it'll fit in with my theme. I don't know if you can see it with this angle, but my setup's at the back there. So yeah, I'm gonna get some shots of all the parts on their own, and then I'll show you a time-lapse of how I built this me building the PC. I'm sorry that, I don't know, I'm recording this on my iPhone, so it's kind of hard to have a lot of storage space on a 16GB iPhone. It's pretty small, so I'm sorry about that, but you got to see the gist of it. That was basically all there was to doing it. The hardest part was taking out the other PC, getting the cooler off basically. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I will be enjoying this new PC. It is up. I am currently editing this video on it now. It works. It's a 3.5. I'll work on overclocking later, and I'll get some benchmarks maybe up on the channel. I'm not sure. I'll see if I'll get to that. But yeah, it's basically, I had no problems with it. It instantly boots up, went into Windows configured for the new hardware, and that was about it. So if you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more like this, just watch the video so I can get views. I don't really care. So yeah.